We have a brand new Marvel video game on its way, just revealed at the 2018 Game Awards. And no, it's not Square Enix's mysterious Avengers project. Titled Ultimate Alliance 3: The Black Order, this game was completely unexpected. So today we're breaking down what exactly we know about the game, and when you can get your hands on this RPG for your Nintendo Switch. Get excited, friends! In this game, the Marvel Universe will be hashing it out over the Infinity Gauntlet. According to the official press release, this unprecedented team of characters must use their unique superpowers to defeat the mad cosmic tyrant Thanos and his ruthless war masters, the Black Order. Characters from the Avengers, Guardians of the Galaxy, and the X-Men all made appearances in this trailer, with enemies the likes of the Green Goblin, the Sentinels, and of course the Black Order appearing too. And yes, Thanos appeared in the trailer at the very end. For those of you familiar with the Marvel Comics and the 2013 Infinity Comics specifically, the Cull Obsidian is the group of Thanos' children that carry out his dirty work as his war generals, and they're supremely powerful. We got a glimpse of them in the MCU in the Avengers Infinity War movie, where they were called the Black Order. So clearly this game has been titled with that in mind, since that's their more popular name thanks to the movies. Now the Infinity comic was a crossover storyline that followed Thanos attacking Earth while the Avengers were busy saving the universe from the alien race the Builders, after the Age of Ultron storyline had wrapped up. Now because of the damage caused by Ultron, Earth was made an easy target. And then this happened. The story also led into the Inhumanity storyline, in which the Terrigen Mists were released on Earth and activated a bunch of individuals' dormant abilities, like Kamala Khan's Ms. Marvel. Now the story famously featured much of Thanos' perspective and even introduced his son, Thane. But most importantly, it introduced us to the Black Order, those being Black Dwarf, Corvus Glaive, Ebony Maw, Proxima Midnight, and Supergiant, the latter being left out of the MCU's Infinity War film. Now how close the game will follow the Infinity storyline is unknown, but needless to say there are aspects of it that have been pulled into it. As the title signifies, this isn't the first Ultimate Alliance game to come into fruition. The first Ultimate Alliance, which was an original story, was published by Activision, developed by Raven Software and Barking Lizards Technologies. The second Ultimate Alliance game pulled narrative events from the Secret War comic event, and featured similar gameplay to its predecessor, but sadly received poor reviews. It was also published by Activision and developed by a new team, a really scattered one. Developers InSpace worked on the PS2, NDS, and Wii port of the game. Savage Entertainment worked on the PSP version, and Vicarious Visions worked on the PS3, Xbox 360, PS4, Xbox One, and PC ports. So clearly things were a tad messy with management before. Considering how profitable Marvel titles are these days, it makes sense that things have shifted into the hands of Nintendo as a publisher, and the game is being developed by Team Ninja. They're the studio behind the Ninja Gaiden games, Dead or Alive, and Nioh. The game is coming out for the Nintendo Switch. The trailer depicted it as a Switch exclusive, so it's likely we won't see it coming out on any other platforms anytime soon, especially since Nintendo's publishing it. This might be a bit of a shock considering that the first two titles in the Ultimate Alliance series were available on other consoles. So what else do we know? Well, the game will introduce a new over-the-shoulder camera view, and has 4-player co-op. It also sounds like there may be some familiar MCU actors voicing some of the characters. Nick Fury in the trailer sounded a whole lot like Samuel L. Jackson, but that is unconfirmed.
We want to survive here. We do it as a team.
But the most pressing question is, when will it be released? Now according to the trailer, it will be exclusively out on the Nintendo Switch in 2019, but aside from that, there was no specific date given. Alright, that's it for now folks. Are you guys excited for Ultimate Alliance 3? Give us a shout in those comments below and let us know. And for all of your nerdy news, be sure to subscribe to Top 10 Nerd. Thanks for watching.